Jamaica people are truly good at it again. RBT production representing for the big bad comedy setup. I want to tell you all say we are start to the 2nd of February. We are start at Mullines Road, Olympia Crown Playhouse. But we are going all over Jamaica after that. I want to set the date, get on the ticket, and lock the location. Because I don't know normal. You see when you see Bashi Mama Man Grant, when you see Bad Boy Trevor, you see me Trudy Good, Monique Ellis, Kimon Twep Morgan, and Keith Shibada Ramsey. In normal. We are giving no laughter, whole heap of laughter, whole heap of excitement. We are giving on the money's worth. We are giving even more than the money's worth because we are enjoy to the fullest. That's a promise where RBT tends to keep. And I don't know we are stop. We not stop. Pure entertainment, pure laughter for nice clean Jamaica people them. Check it.